Ageless Brain Plasmalogen Supplement and Liver Health Formula Bundle, Advanced Memory Formula Brain Boost, Studying Essentials with Detox and Cleanse Support. Plasmalogen supplements have various potential benefits. In addition to providing support, they can assist in reducing brain fog and contribute to optimal health and longevity. When incorporating these supplements into your routine, it is advisable to adhere to the recommendations outlined by the manufacturer. These suggestions may differ depending on factors such as age, overall well-being, and specific health conditions. Ageless Brain Plasmalogen Supplement, Liver Health Formula. Brain Health Supplements, natural supplements for liver health. Brain Plasmalogen Supplements, liver detoxification, memory and cognition supplements. Liver support, improved brain function, liver health supplements. Taking plasmalogen supplements can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. These supplements are known to provide support in various ways. Along with reducing brain fog, they can play a crucial role in promoting optimal health and longevity. It is essential to follow the guidance provided by the supplement manufacturer when incorporating these products into your daily routine. These recommendations may vary depending on factors such as your age, overall health, and specific health conditions. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that you are making the most of the benefits offered by plasmalogen supplements.